I'll read. You see us flying in our UFOs. When we fly by, you Earthlings say, oh, oh. Oh. Skip the other part. We are fat green balls from our heads to our... What the heck? What? Like what? From our heads to our toes.
Aww.
Purple oozing jelly coming from our nose. Would you like to have jam? Yum. It tastes like minty. Wait. Jam. You put jam.
Oh. I made a mistake.
Continue.
Wow, Pauline's so pro.
Not you. Or lick our puny brains that like I thought it said something. Oh my god. What are you doing? Okay. They're like bad potato yams. Ooh, is that ooh? It's ooh. Okay. Ew. Our feet and will pinch your nose like a clown. Then that ear will. We'll run and not change or charge. Charge into the ground.
Jenna, become like you. This sugar is so addicting.
Anyway, I'm dying. I think I'm the alien they were talking about.
Are you tearing? I saw you wipe your eye.
It's just like...